got that beat rocking. I feel the heat rising. This is my day and I feel it. It's like I'm dream walking, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Where are we heading, boys? Where? Connecticut. What's in Connecticut? Bob and Janine. Yep, we're gonna go see them for a minute. In a boat? What kind of boat? Skater. I was raised off of Route 3, out past where the blacktop is. We walked to church on Sunday morning, raised barefoot, back to Johnson's fence. I went out into the world, and then I came back in. I lost Mary, I got her back again. And driving home tonight feels like I found a long lost friend. It's where I drank my first beer. What? It's where I found Jesus. Awkward. Why? Where I wrecked my first car. I tore it all to pieces. Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes in my sunburned Toyota Tacoma. Like a hot road against the right old headed right back to my road. Sure part does. Remember the words? What's he doing? Chasing you like a shot of whiskey, burning, going down, chasing you like those goodbye taillights. Hey, what's up, everybody? Know I've been away for a while for YouTube. Start trying to get back on a schedule here a little bit of doing some videos for everybody. Got a new addition to the fleet. We're going to be upgrading from the kayaks a little bit this year, and well, I guess I can just show you what we got going on. Ready? Welcome to my new boat, 1989 Skeeter SD 125, 17-foot bass boat. We got a 120 Evinrude on the back, nice little motor guide, Krone motor, 67-pound thrust for up front. Comes with a little Lowrance unit. That's interchangeable from there to the front. I may end up putting my Lowrance 7 Ti up front eventually. We'll get things figured around a little. Does need a few things. I mean, she is 1989, so she's got a little age on her, but that's okay. So do I. Got a couple more years than the old girl, so I think we'll make a good pair. Got a few things to work on it, but nothing too bad. The majors are all done. Put a new floor in it. Previous guy that I bought it off of was restoring it, and fell on some hard times and needed to sell. So I was able to pick it up for a good deal, or what I feel is a good deal. I drove 6.5 hours to Connecticut to pick up the boat. Luckily, my sister lives about 30 minutes from the fella that had the boat for sale, so it wasn't too bad. I got to visit some family I haven't seen in a while, and go pick up a new toy. So I think this is going to be a good boat for the family. We'll be coming out of the kayaks that you see in the background. Still planning on using those quite a bit. They're fun to hit all the little local spots with and bum around with here and there. Go camping, whatnot. Take those with us. But the bass boat's definitely going to be a good addition. So make fishing with all the kids and stuff a little bit easier. Having everybody on the same platform, I'm able to help them out a little bit more than I was with the kayaks, trying to help them with lines and lures and getting fish on and off line, stuff like that. So anyways, yeah, I guess now it's time to start loading it up. Everything's empty right now, so time to get the rod locker full and figure out how I'm going to lay out the tackle. Give you just a quick tour here. The main deck, we got a spot where we can put a seat up front. We do have storage up front. Right now I got some Googan baits in the money bag stored in there. It is plumbed for the live well, but there's not a pump hooked to this specific one yet. So that one's more or less just going to be tackle storage for me at the moment. Right here, the center of the boat. The guy built this little thing here to hold his cooler. I'm not a fan. The floor actually used to extend at some point in time all the way back to the console, and then it come across into the rod locker here. I think somebody had built an extension. I don't think that was factory, from what I can see in brochures and stuff. This is where the floor originally was, and it has your capacity plate and everything up front here. But I kind of like the idea of extending this platform up front. It'll give me just a little bit more space than this. I mean, this is decent to stand fish for me. I mean, I'm used to fishing off of that kayak over there, so this floor is more than big enough right now. But it would be nice to be able to store some stuff up under the floor, shoes and things of that sort. But for right now, it'll do. We've got a rod locker, plenty of space to fit my rods in there. Came with a seat pedestal and a anchor, well used looking anchor, by the way. Under each seat, it's got new seats on it. They're in good shape. Under each seat, there's some storage. I got some dry boxes in there. It's where I'll store my registration and boating essentials, some of my emergency gear, first aid kit, things of that nature. Another storage under this seat here. Came with a mount to mount the other fish finder up front. Oh, it's not too bad. Could use a couple more screws in that hinge, I think, on that seat. That one's a little loose, but. And then in the back, another pedestal, live well, and or storage on each side. It's plumbed for live wells. Right now, the fire extinguisher sitting in there, air horn. I need to get all that stuff mounted to the boat still. But that's that. Back hatch. Brand new batteries, some Everstarts, like an Autocraft, kind of a mix. There's a marine battery, but I have a battery charger in the back as well. It's a 3-bank. And brand new bilge pumps, brand new live well pumps. Looks like the lines are new on those as well. He does have some new wiring in here as well. Yeah. That's that. And Lowrance also comes with a GPS system. Move to the back of the boat. You can see the prop is brand new. Engine cover, everything's lower unit, everything's been completely repainted. Underside of the boat has also been repainted. Unfortunately, the metal flake paint job on the underside has been covered up, but it had some signs of years of use on it. So previous owner just cleaned it up best he could. Still has the Skeeter trailer as well. That's seen better days. As far as the fenders go, it's gonna need a little love. Never had it before. Apparently couldn't back up real well without jamming fenders into stuff. But just minor repairs. I should be able to get them knocked back out. We'll get it repainted, sanded down, paint her up, put some new LED lights all the way around on it. I did pick up some LED lights, courtesy lights for the interior today. Some switches. Got a horn that I'm going to install on it. But yeah, basically, I guess I'll set you back up on the pedestal here, and you can watch me load the boat. Bye.